Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm sure you saw the thumbnail and you're like, what the heck? That's clickbait and all that kind of stuff. But hey, it's not clickbait. This is real. I went to see Bert Kreischer. You know, I went to the Tops Off tour, right? And man, he shit his pants, or I'm not sure if that's correct, right? Grammatically correct. Did he shat his pants or did he shit his pants? I don't know, but he did it on stage. Correct me in the comments if you could, right after you smash that thumbs up button, because I'm about to show you the footage. Also, yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, because, you know, I go around to all of these shows just to take video footage of people taking shits on stage or in their pants and then wiping their ass with their shirts and then showing everybody the shirt that they wiped their ass with and it's got shit stains on it. Well, at least I did it this time, right? So you might think I'm joking. You might think I'm just clickbaiting you so that you can come to my channel, watch this video, but actually, this is real. This really happened. It happened today, tonight. I was a witness there. Also, I've got more proof in case you don't believe me. It's called Twitter. Actually, no, they changed their name now. It's called X now. But it doesn't matter what it's called. The only thing that matters, my friends, is that Bert Kreischer confirms my story. He says, hey, this guy's telling the truth. I shit my pants on a toilet paper, so I don't have to use my shirt no more. I'm going to play y'all the very short clip from his X account, you know, his Twitter, well, formerly known as Twitter. Then I'll let you hear some footage from, you know, what happened at the show, right? Now, keep in mind, some of this stuff might be copyrighted, so I got to do what I got to do, edit it a certain way, but I'm going to let you guys be a witness to what I witnessed today. And tell me if this is normal. Like, does this usually happen at Bert Kreischer's shows? Because I've never seen it before. Anyhow, enough of me talking to you guys. Enough of me mumbling. I know y'all want to see the big man pooping his pants. So I'm going to let y'all see it.
I'm a fucking pro, everybody. Shit my pants 4 minutes in, and the show must go on. Wiped my ass with my shirt, and you're probably thinking, God damn it, that's fitting. You don't perform with the shirt. That's right. I got toilet paper on stage waiting for me. And we killed it. Thank you so much, Little Rock, Arkansas. Tomorrow night, Springfield, Missouri, I will shit before I go on stage. I promise. Or maybe I won't.
So before we get to the pooping, let me just tell you all this. The show starts off with a bunch of grown men acting like imbeciles and taking their shirts off. They were encouraged by the image of this Bert Kreischer because, you know, he like encourages that kind of stuff. So they were taking their shirts off, and these were mostly just overweight men. They didn't want to see anybody skinny take off their shirt like me. They said, nah, man, keep your shirt on because you're too skinny. If you're not overweight like us, you can't do it. Then they displayed them on the screens, you know, up there on stage. Hey, that was me right there. Did y'all see me? Anyhow, let's keep going. So these guys were taking off their shirts. They felt great about it. They, for the first time ever, felt like they were loved, accepted. And I believe that's why they come to these Bert Kreischer shows, because that is exactly where you go if you're a feller that's overweight and you want to feel good about yourself and feel proud of yourself for eating too much steak, lobster, crab, mashed potatoes, gravy, green beans, anything that you please, like ice cream, anything at all. As long as you're overweight, hey, that's quite all right with Bert Kreischer, because that's what he does, and it's quite all right with me too. I accept you guys, but hey, let's talk about the pooping. Let us get into it.
They say the most beautiful sound they ever hear is children laughing. I disagree. Not the wind out of a child. Let's hear that. Just, it's so, the look on their face, they don't know what's happened to them. They're like, hey, get mama. I just shit my pants. I just shit my pants for real. Hold on. Oh yeah, I shit my fucking pants. Oh, I shit my fucking pants. I just shit the first, guys, I shit my pants. I mean, I think we got most of it, but there's still stuff in there. I shit my pants a lot. Now, I thought it was a fart. You ever just have a fart and it just isn't? You lying motherfucker. I trusted you. I thought it was a fart. Yeah, I shit my pants at a Best Buy one time buying a refrigerator. I had a fart trying to get out. He was like, excuse me. And there was a poop at the end going, what do you want? He's like, well, I'd like to get out. And he's like, yeah, there's a fucking line. Can't you see that? You can either take me with you or not go at all. And then I tried to rearrange that line to get that East German out of Berlin. And I shit my pants bad. So bad I just went, I just shit my pants. I didn't do the eyes. Oh, I went, I shit my pants. My daughters were like, pack up the iPads, we're going home. My wife's like, why are you going fart in front of this man? You don't even know him. I was like, I had shit in my pants, woman. What are we splitting hairs on a fart that never fucking happened? I had shit in my, poor guy's got the refrigerator door open. Do you need to use our restroom? My wife's like, he doesn't wear underwear, we'll be back. I don't wear underwear, we have a problem, people. Everyone's like, what about your dick in the zipper? My dick's like a thumb. Callus with a nail on it. This is what a professional I am. I have shit my pants and the show must go on. Let's get one more wipe, okay? By the way, if I showed you what I wiped out of my ass, you'd throw the fuck up. Hold on, one more wipe.
No, we're serious. That's serious.
Yeah, we're pretty clean, guys. We're pretty fucking clean. Don't ever forget, you were at a show where Bert Kreischer shit his pants. Woo! Fuck yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Welcome to fucking Arkansas, huh?
Oh my God.
Your ancestors would be proud. We didn't cross this country with all those threats not to watch you come here and shit your pants. That shirt's done. Well, not really. It's a good shirt. I'm gonna probably wash it. I'm gonna throw it. You know, my wife and I, when I shit my pants at the Best Buy, I was wiping my ass. Same shirt. It's a Jane First shirt. I'm not gonna throw it away. And we're sitting in the parking garage, and I drop my pants to my ankles, and I have my shirt. I'm wiping my ass. I'm good. I can clean up. And then I grab the shirt, I'm gonna put it back in my car. And she goes, that shirt ain't going in my car. I was like, bitch, I paid a note on that car. I found out very quickly that was not my car. She just took off and left me pants around my ankles, shit all over my hands. I chased her like a lizard running across a lake, just. I bet there's people in going, he just wiped his hand with the hand he's talking into the mic with. I don't give a fuck. We grew up, the way we grew up, just shit didn't matter. Shit in your pants is like, that happens. How often do you shit your pants? Sir, you don't look like you shit your pants a lot. When was the last time you, not him, he looks like he shits his pants. You pointed to him like, oh, do not ask him that question. When was the last time you shit your pants, son? You can't remember? You gotta take more chances. You ever got a DUI? It feels a lot like shitting your pants. You're sitting at a party going, I'm only 2 blocks away, I'll be fine. And then next thing you know, you're like, oh God, it happened. My wife doesn't shit her pants a lot. But have you ever seen a woman's underwear and you're like, what the fuck? You do shit your pants a lot. You need to wipe better, holy God. How do we casually not remember what's happened up here? How do you casually go, I forgot about him shitting his pants. That's my goal tonight, is for you to go, oh, that's right, and he shit his pants. We're clean, guys. That last wipe was pretty good. And at the end of the show, I'll show you the shirt, and you are going to say, oh, he really shit his pants.